See, this kind of question where the Z information is given and we have to get the information about the imaginary part or real part of omega, means we have to check both, right? So first thing, information given about the Z, so I will try to write Z in term of omega, correct? So we can do cross multiplication and we'll get 5 omega minus 5 omega Z is equal to 5 plus 3Z. So we are interested in getting Z. So Z one side and other side. So this will be 5 omega minus 1 equal to, from here Z, this will come this side. So Z common, so we'll get 3 plus 5 omega. I hope I did correct. So Z equal to, we got 5 into omega minus 1 divided by 3 plus 5 omega. I hope I did correct. Yes, yes. Now, what is the information given? Mod Z is less than 1. So it means mod Z less than 1. Put it here. So we'll get 5 mod omega minus 1 by mod 3 plus 5 omega is less than 1. Since this is the positive quantity, I can multiply other side. So if you multiply other side, what will come? 5 mod omega minus 1 less than mod 3 plus 5 omega. Correct? And see, in the inequality, both side is a positive quantity, so you can square. But if both side negative, you can square but change the sign of inequality. So here, both side positive, I can directly square. So 25 mod omega minus 1 whole square. If you try to recall, let it be like that. So mod omega minus 1 whole square less than mod 3 plus 5 omega whole square. Omega, can I take x plus iy? Yes, because they are asking x and y information. So 25 and mod x minus 1 plus iy whole square less than mod and 5x plus 3. Yes, 5x plus 3 plus 5 iy whole square. As you know, mod of a plus ib is nothing but root of a square plus b square. So that logic we can apply here and we can expand it. Then we'll get what? 25 and x minus 1 whole square plus y square, means x square plus y square minus 2x plus 1. Directly I'm writing, I hope you're able to understand all of you. Less than this, if you expand it, this is square plus this means 25x square plus 30x and plus 9 and plus 25y square. You can see very clearly that 25x square plus 25y square, both side is there, it will get cancelled. So left side left minus 50x minus 50x plus 25, and right side left what? 30x plus 9. So 80x, shifting one side, greater than 25 minus 9 means 16, means x is greater than 16 by 18 means 1 by 5. You can see very clearly we don't get any information about the y, means y can be anything, but x information is there. X is what? Real part of omega, because omega is substituted here x plus iy. So it means real part of omega is greater than 1 by 5. What about the imaginary part of omega? Anything can be happen because y got cancelled. Means this condition does not affect by the imaginary part of omega. It's affect only by the real part of omega. So this is the answer. B option. Right?